All right, let's talk about selecting data in an Excel worksheet. We know that we can select one cell just by clicking on it, but if you need to select multiple cells, what do? Well, there's several ways to do it. The most common is I'm going to select this cell, hold down my left mouse key, and then just drag over all the cells I want to select. And when I have them all, I let go of my mouse and I have that entire range selected. I can also go ahead and just drag down like that. Or maybe I just need these 2 cells or these 4 cells. So just click and drag to select data in Excel. But there's also some keyboard shortcuts to help you with this. I'm going to start here in A2. I'm going to hold down my Control key. I'm going to hold down my Shift key. And then I'm going to use my down arrow. And when I do that, it selects all of the data from the cell I was in down to the last cell that has data in this range. Now, while I'm still holding my Control and my Shift, I'm going to use my right arrow, and it selects the rest of that data. It takes me all the way over to the last row with data to the right. Now, if I do that over here, Control, Shift, down, Control, Shift, left arrow, takes me back that way. If I want to go ahead and just move over one column, Control, Shift, down, I will let go of the Control key and just use Shift and use my right arrow, and it will take me over one column. If I use the right arrow again, and again, now I can go back by using Shift, left arrow. And of course, I can do this anywhere like that. Now, if I want to select the data from both of these tables, I'm going to start here in A2, Control, Shift, and use the End key. And now it selects all of the data down to the very last cell on this worksheet. This is really handy if you have a worksheet with a lot of data, like this one here, Control, Shift, End. It has 113 rows of data, and I was able to, with just a couple of clicks and a quick keyboard shortcut, select all of it. Let's go back to that first worksheet again. One thing that happens often, if you're not used to it, is let's say that we've selected, accidentally I selected too much. Well, I can start over again, or if I've selected a little bit too much, I can hold down my Control key and drag and get rid of the cells that I didn't want to select. I can also go ahead and use that. Say I didn't want to select that row. And of course it works in a column as well. And again, you hold down your Control key and drag, or you can just select individual cells, or should I say deselect individual cells from that selection. So now you know how to select data in Excel.